Welcome to CakeBot's tutorial on copy trading. Copytrade allows you to automatically copy the trades made by other wallets that you add to your list. To get started, navigate to the Copytrade menu. From here, you'll have the flexibility to tailor your purchase parameters. Let's first select the wallets for the transaction. For demonstration purposes, I'll opt for Wallet 1. Next, specify your buy amount. Remember, when using multiple wallets, the designated amount will be debited from each one. If you have a specific value in mind, simply select the custom option. For instance, entering 2 means 2 BNB will be spent from every selected wallet. When copy trading, your buy amount will be the same as the wallet you are copy trading as long as it doesn't exceed your max buy amount, in which case, your max buy amount will be used. Now let's talk about gas. By default, CakeBot will use the same GUI as the transaction you are copying unless that exceeds the max gas value you specify, in which case your max gas value will be used. To set a custom max gas amount, click the button and specify your value. Next, enter the address of the wallet you want to copy trade. Currently, we support copying by transactions made through PancakeSwap version 2 and version 3. We plan to add support for further platforms, such as swaps made through 1inch, in future. Once you have set up your copy trade parameters, click Submit Copy Trade and your copy trade will be created. You can continue to use the bot as normal after setting up a copy trade. Whenever a trade is copied, you will be notified with all the relevant details. For an overview of your existing copy trades, select Manage your copy trade list. This panel displays all your active copy trades, and should you wish to cancel one, merely copy its ID and click Remove Copy Trade. That concludes our walkthrough on CakeBot's copy trade feature. Eager to learn more? Stay with us as we delve deeper into CakeBot's array of features in upcoming videos. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your comments, questions, or feedback below.